What's going on, everybody? Danny Cola here from Underground Fitness Studio. Another chiropractic appointment with my guy, Dr. Dan.
So you know that feeling of just good old fear. I mean, it's a survival instinct.
Yeah, that was like alleviated instantaneously.
Yeah. Big emotions with the kidneys are fear, impending doom, paralyzed will.
Yeah.
Right there. So now this is showing up. That's the beauty of muscle testing. The body will guide me. What's first, what's next.
Ooh.
So be like that water.
Yeah.
Go around those obstacles.
Dr. Dan is a real wizard. Feel very, very good. Relaxed. Always am excited 24 hours post appointments like this.